Making rum balls are a holiday tradition for some, and today I'm going to show you how to make a keto version that's easy of these punchy, nutty cookies. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and we're going to show you how to make a no-bake, sugar-free rum ball. This recipe is very easy to make. In fact, it's the perfect cookie to whip up for Christmas when at moment's notice you have some guests over, or you find yourself participating in a cookie exchange, or maybe you forgot to buy cookies for Santa. So let's get started. This recipe is going to use a food processor, but if you don't have that, then I recommend just chopping up your nuts ahead of time, or you can use a blender too. In a food processor, we're going to add 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1 cup of pecans. Now you can use whatever nut you want. If you want to use almonds or walnuts, that works too in this recipe. 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and now for the sweetness, we're gonna add 1/3 cup of ChocZero's vanilla syrup. Another fun option would be to use their caramel syrup too. That would also be delicious in this recipe. I love using their syrups because they're sugar-free plus they're sugar alcohol-free. In fact, this recipe is a sugar alcohol-free. Now for that punchy rum flavor, we're gonna be adding some rum to this recipe. So it's 1/4 cup of, I'm using white rum, you could use regular rum too, or if you want it to be alcohol free, then just use rum extract to get that rummy flavor. You're gonna process this all together until everything is combined. Now this dough will be sticky. If it's a little bit too sticky to where you can't handle it, then just add a little bit more almond flour. Or if it's not sticky enough, then you can add a little bit more rum or a little bit more ChocZero syrup. You want to roll these into 1-inch balls, and now you have a couple of different options when it comes to coating them. You could of course enjoy them by themselves without being coated, but I like to either roll them in a little bit of unsweetened cocoa powder, or you could use a sugar-free sweetener of your choice. And then your rum balls are finished. That was an easy recipe. It's no bake and no time in the oven, no time in the freezer. Perfect keto cookie recipe. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your sugar-free rum balls.